The precast concrete construction market may appear highly competitive, but the latest market share distribution reveals a different story. No single company controls even 5% of the global market. CRH leads the market with 3% share, leveraging its extensive regional footprint and strong infrastructure exposure. China State Construction Engineering follows with 2%, while Holcim holds 1%, benefiting from its global cement and concrete leadership. Consolis Group and Cemex round out the top 5 with less than 1% share. Collectively, these top 5 players account for just 8% of the total market, highlighting a highly fragmented competitive landscape. Here, understanding where market share is concentrated and where it remains fragmented will be critical for identifying the next wave of growth opportunities. Markets move fast. Your decisions need to move faster. The 360i Research platform brings analyst-authored research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask targeted market questions, track competitors, explore industry shifts, and uncover timely insights that help your teams move from data to confident action. Connect with 360i Research and turn inspiring insights into dependable actions.